Hi everyone, welcome to Anisha's Decora. If you're watching my channel for the first time, hi, I am Anisha and I live in the Netherlands, but I'm from India. And in this video, we have already arrived in Sicily, not we are traveling to, but we've already arrived in Sicily and we also did visit Mount Etna. I will leave the link to that video if you want to check it out. In this video, we are driving from Mount Etna to our hotel in Palermo. So it's about 3.5 hours of drive, and the scenery was amazing. In this video, let me tell you a little about how we planned our trip and why we are on this long drive. We decided we will land in Catania from Amsterdam because the direct flights were very good deal. Catania and Palermo are on opposite sides of the island. Catania is on the eastern side, Palermo is on the western side. Also, Mount Etna is quite close to the airport. It's about 1.5 hours of drive, and Mount Etna also took about 4 hours. The entire going up, coming down, and everything, we even considering the drive. So after that, we did not have much time. We wanted to start the drive because it's a long journey and we didn't want to do all of it while it was dark. Another very interesting part, it was interesting for me definitely, was we were traveling from the eastern side to the west, so we would definitely see the sunset somewhere on the way. The reason why we chose Sicily is because it is so beautiful and it has a very different kind of beauty. It is not like a very big city or anything, but it has its own beauty, and that's what we wanted to explore. There were a few other places we shortlisted, but then everyone decided that we should go to Sicily, and it was also very close. It was 2.5 hours. It's not that far. Also, we were going at a time when it is not the peak season, which was all the more reason to visit a place which is really famous in terms of tour and travel. But off peak season, you really get to see the beauty. This drive felt like straight out of a dream. It was so beautiful. Everything around us was picture perfect. Like on the right, you can see these are orchards. They are mostly of pistachio and olives. And with another turn, we had the mighty mountains ahead of us. The sun, the scenery, the colors all around us, I think it made me a little bit emotional. There's also something I felt which I want to share here, is when, especially for me, when I'm very close to nature, I just feel like shutting down. I feel like I don't want to talk, I don't want to do anything. I want to just immerse in the feeling. At some point, I definitely did put my phone down, but I recorded as much as I could for all of you. Earlier, I had said that we will see the sunset at some point in this drive, and we are very close to seeing that. So, this was right about the time we entered Palermo, and the sun was about to set. We have around another 15 minutes to reach our resort, and we are taking almost like the final turns. And with that, I was happy that we are reaching our resort, but sad a little bit at the same time because I will miss this scenery. However, I have it captured on my video, so I'm happy also that way. And by now we have arrived at our resort. It was the resort La Battagia. I hope that's the way it was pronounced because that's how I heard the front desk, the people at the front desk, they were pronouncing it.
But although we have arrived, we are quite late and we have to go and have dinner now. Also, a good excuse to go out and explore a bit of the area around our hotel on foot. So here we are. It's about 10:30 at night. I think close to that. And we are walking in search of some food. Fortunately, we did find a place which was open and we filled our tummies with some amazing dinner. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. If you liked this video, if you liked the drive, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.